So students, we are doing questions from Concepts of Physics by Hcverma, Volume 1, Chapter 3, Rest and Motion, Kinematics, and we are doing Objective 1. So second question from Objective 1 is like this. Figure shows displacement time graph of a particle moving on the x-axis. Now looking at the graph, we have to choose these options. A. Particle is continuously going in the positive x direction. The particle is at rest. The velocity increases up to a time t0 and then becomes constant. The particle moves at a constant velocity up to a time t0 and then stops. In Hcverma Objective 1 are questions in which only one of the options is correct. Now, it is mentioned that this is a displacement time graph. So, displacement time graph has displacement along the positive y-axis and time along x-axis. Now, the slope gives velocity. Slope is uniform up to time t0. What does it mean? The body has uniform velocity up to this time t0. I hope you are capturing that point, that the body has uniform velocity up to this t0, and after that its position is not changing, therefore it has come to rest. With this understanding, let us look at the options that are given to us. So the first option, the particle is continuously going in the positive x direction. That is not correct, because the particle has stopped at time t0. Therefore, this is not correct option. The particle is at rest. We found that the particle is rest only after time t0. Therefore, this is also wrong. The velocity increases up to time t0 and then becomes constant. This is giving an idea that as if there is an acceleration up to time t0. But we are saying that slope is uniform up to time t0. Therefore, velocity is uniform up to time t0. So this is also wrong. The last option, the particle moves at a constant velocity up to time t0 and then stops. This is the only correct option. I hope this is clear to you, students.